Well, Billy Faulkner and Eudora Welty, they met at just the right time. Welty was just getting started as a writer, working her way up, and was a professor at Millsaps College. And from what we understand, Faulkner thought that Welty wrote beautifully, but he honestly hated the content of her stories. And initially, Welty saw this approach as merely a writing challenge, the way Faulkner challenged her to write more of a science fiction style, more of a future-facing direction. But she eventually came around to it. She became fascinated by Faulkner's Southern Cosmic. She also liked the idea of working closely with a quarterly, something at the grassroots level. And just as much as Faulkner helped create it, she helped create the publication too. She used her charm and convinced the administration at Millsaps to support the quarterly. And it was quite the coup, honestly. Welty pushed the quarterly to her students, and they just ate it up. They couldn't get enough of it. Faulkner and Welty also developed a real fan base at Millsaps, acolytes. Students would follow them around, trying to steal a seat or get an invite to their dining table. And they also started dressing like them in this sort of eclectic European style. And this is how the movement spread throughout the South, from graduates of Millsaps, like seedlings, going throughout the country. They would move to new places, Memphis, Atlanta, New Orleans, cities that were growing fast. And they had an appreciation for perhaps more modernity than the traditional places around Oxford. And it was a burgeoning group of them that were sort of sick of the sort of backward-lookingness. They wanted something different.